Hello lovelies, today's product review and I'm looking at Bourghal. So Bourghal is actually wheat which has been steamed, cracked and then dehydrated. So it's actually a really nutritious product. It retains most of the fibre, so that's always something that we're looking for, and apparently it has heaps more fibre than even brown rice. Now the beauty of Bourghal is because it has been steamed and cracked and then dehydrated, is that it doesn't need as much cooking. And so you actually just cover it with boiling water and then let it sit. Now it does need to sit for quite a while, but at least it's like set and forget, which would be much easier to be able to manage. So yeah, an interesting product, obviously made from wheat. So if you need to avoid gluten, this is not a product for you. But it's just another grain, another whole grain that we can add into our diet so that we just continue to give our good gut bacteria different types of fibre. Because the more variety that we can give our good gut bacteria, the healthier our microbiome is going to be, which means in turn your immune system is going to be healthier. And of course we know that that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to your microbiome and your overall health. So yeah, give it a go. If you've got any questions, pop them below, and I hope you have a great day.